Hi everyone. The next technology I'm going to talk about is Kahoot. It is basically a way to check for understanding. I use it a lot just during units, just to make sure that kids are understanding what we're doing. It's just a quick and fun way to check that they're understanding everything. Um, you can create your own quizzes. There are also a lot of quizzes out there already made that you can choose from. It's easy to share Kahoot, so my third grade team and I always, when we make a Kahoot, we'll share it with each other so that their class can use it as well. And it's for like kindergarten through 12th grade. I've even seen some college professors use it. It's just a fun way to check for understanding. Here's what it looks like. And this is obviously after you've already created your teacher page. And under Kahoots, you can see a couple of Kahoots that I've made back when I was teaching second grade. And you can, when I click on one, it has the question. You can also add a picture. So like I've done ones about area and perimeter for math. And I've put an actual image in there where they had to find the area and the perimeter of it. And you put in the options as well. And if I hit play, I will hit classic mode. And then this is where a little a code comes up here. And the students on their iPads will type in this code after they go to the Kahoot app or kahoot.it.com. And once they log in, they will type in like their name, and their name will pop up on this screen. And then you can hit start, and this will start the quiz. The questions and options for answers are up on the screen, the teacher screen. And then on their screen, they just have 4 boxes. So they choose the answer using those boxes. Let me go back to the main page here. When they are done, you can look at the reports and it will show you how many people played that specific one. And then you can download the report that will show you specifically what kids got which ones wrong or right. Under the Discover tab is where you can search and find a whole bunch of different quizzes they have out there. Some of them are just for fun. Some of them are surveys. And if you click on one and you want to look more closely at it, it'll show you the questions just to make sure that these are the types of questions that you would like to quiz your students on. I can also just in the search box up here, I can type in anything like area and perimeter was one I recently searched for. And it comes up with all these already made quizzes on area and perimeter. It tells me how many questions there were and some example questions. And all I have to do is click on one and hit play. And then it'll give my class the code that they need to participate in it. The really cool thing about Kahoot is that kids love it. It's very engaging. After they answer a question, after the question is over, and you set a time limit for each question as well. Once that question is over, it gives them the top 5, like who answered it the quickest, who got it right. But it only gives you the top 5 players in the class, so it doesn't show what everyone else's score is. It'll just give the top 5. You can also have your kids go in anonymously, so they are the only ones that know what name is what, and so that it doesn't really it keeps their answers private. And you can take that completely off, so you don't have to have the competition in there. But the kids really that's what's so engaging, and they get super pumped up when they get a question right. Their whole screen turns green when they get it right, and they really like it. So they beg me all the time to be able to do Kahoots. So it's just a very fun, engaging way to check for their understanding.